students, this is class 8th civics chapter 2nd in the ideals of the Indian Constitution. This is the second part of this lesson. In first part we had studied about features of our constitution. Now we will start in this part fundamental rights. The Indian Constitution guarantees certain rights to all the citizens of the country. These rights are called fundamental. The fundamental rights of the citizen of India are defined in part 3rd of the Constitution. These rights are applicable to all the citizens of India irrespective of their caste, creed, race, place of birth, religion or gender. They are enforceable by law. This means that if any of these rights are violated, people can approach the courts for justice. There are 6 fundamental rights in our constitution. First is right to equality. Means every citizen is equal before the eyes of the law. As per the Article 14 to 18 of the Indian Constitution, every citizen is equal before the eyes of the law. The Constitution of India guarantees its citizens the right equality. Every citizen of India is subjected to the one law. No one is preferred or discriminated on the basis of race, religion, gender or caste. मीन्स इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के आर्टिकल 14 एंड 18 के अकॉर्डिंग एवरी सिटीजन इज इक्वल, मतलब हर नागरिक बराबर है लॉ की आइज से. मीन्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया ये गारंटी देता है कि हमारे इंडिया का प्रत्येक नागरिक इक्वल है और सभी सिटीजन्स को बराबर का अधिकार है, चाहे वो किसी भी जाति का हो, किसी भी रिलीजन का हो, किसी भी जेंडर का हो. नेक्स्ट इज अ राइट टू फ्रीडम. द राइट टू फ्रीडम इज कवर्ड इन आर्टिकल 19 to 22 of the Indian Constitution. This right includes number of other rights. According to this right, all citizens of the country have the freedom of speech and expression and the right to pursue the occupation of their own choice. People are free to form cooperative societies of unions. It also allows people to travel to or reside in any part of the country. इस राइट के अकॉर्डिंग इंडिया के एवरी सिटीज़न को फ्रीडम है, स्वतंत्रता है कि वो कहीं भी रह सकता है, कहीं भी जा सकता है, बोलने का भी अधिकार है, उसको अपना ऑक्यूपेशन व्यवसाय करने का अधिकार है. दीज आर द राइट्स इंक्लूडिंग इन दिस आर्टिकल राइट टू फ्रीडम 19 to Articles 19 to 22. Next fundamental is right against exploitation. The right against exploitation is guaranteed by Article 23 to 24 of the Indian Constitution. This right prohibits all forms of forced labor and human trafficking. An important provision under this right is the ban on employing children below the age of 14 years in factories, mines and other hazardous activities. Hazardous activities means dangerous activity. इस right के according किसी भी 14 years से कम child को labor नहीं किया जा सकता. मीन्स उससे वर्क नहीं कराया जा सकता और उसे किसी भी खतरे में नहीं डाला जा सकता. किसी भी फैक्ट्री में वर्क करना है प्रोहिबिटेड है इस राइट के अकॉर्डिंग. किसी भी माइन में, किसी भी खान में भी उसका वर्क करना प्रोहिबिटेड है. Next right is fundamental right is cultural and educational rights. Next right should be right to freedom of religion. The right to freedom of religion is guaranteed by Article 25 to 28 of the Indian Constitution. This right guarantees that everyone has the right to practice and propagate the religion of his or her choice. India being a secular country gives utmost importance to this right. Next right is cultural and educational rights. The cultural and educational rights are provided by Articles 29 and 30 of the Indian Constitution. India is an amalgamation of diverse cultures. This right ensures that people of all sections of the society can protect their culture and heritage. Next right is right to constitutional remedies. Article 32 of the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to constitutional remedies to the citizens of the country. We know that our fundamental rights are enforceable in the court of law. Sometimes some of these rights might get violated in such a situation. ऐसी सिचुएशन में we can directly approach the Supreme Court or the High Courts to seek justice. Thus, this right makes other rights effective. The right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights by the 44th Amendment of 1978. 1978 के 44th Amendment में एक और राइट था, वो हटा दिया गया. इस राइट का नाम था प्रॉपर्टी, राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी. More about our constitution we will learn in the next part of this video. Thanks for watching.